In this training course, we are going to make tutorial about Premiere Rush. The Premiere Rush is a very simple version of the Premiere Pro. As you can see in a Premiere Pro, we have a lots of settings, a lot of things to do, and very difficult, and you have to use mouse and keyboard for editing. But when you are in a travel or anywhere that you want edit your video and share your video fast, you need some other software that can install on your tablet or smartphone to edit and use your videos and share it on Instagram, YouTube, or any platform. And this is a cross-device app. It means you can use it in your mobile, you can use it in a tablet. It's connected to the Adobe Create Cloud. You can share your file in a cloud. For example, you are in a PC or home, you can use it in a PC or Macintosh or other device. You can share your file on your Creative Cloud and going, for example, in travel, opening your mobile and then edit your videos there and share it. For example, you are in travel, you're filming some interesting things and you want to edit them very fast. This is Rush. As you can see, the UI, it's very simple, and the tools and the button are very in a simple and a big design for designing for using touch and for tablet and mobile. The tools and the settings are very simple. You can use them very fast and very easy. All of the UI, user interface, is designed for using in a tablet and mobile. The settings are very simple and straightforward, and you can simply edit and share your video very easily and share on those platforms. It's very simple and easy to use. For example, in here you are in travel or sailing, you can edit your video very fast. Okay, we're going to explain all of its settings and sharing things. Stay tuned with us. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.